Hi, this is the Full Conceal Perspective. We get a comment online about comparing a standard Glock 43 to a Full Conceal M3S in terms of the footprint overlaying it, that you only get 2 extra rounds or it's not that much more advantageous. So a different perspective on that is, and I know this is a Full Conceal M3S, but it says a very similar dimension to a 43. The advantages aren't just more capacity, right? So if you can compare the pistol, this has more capacity, whether it's 8 rounds or 10 rounds, but also putting this into a pocket loaded, you don't need a holster, so it's going to be thinner. And on top of that, it's going to print like a cell phone. Well, this will always print, no matter how you wear this, is going to print like a firearm. So you have those advantages over in really, you know, as you get to especially start increasing capacity, such as the 10 round, you're going to start seeing that, you know, this is not that practical to be able to conceal in this current state, right? Either inside the waistband or stuff. It's a pretty large grip, and this is a 10 round mag. So that allows us to show the difference there. And ultimately, you can still carry this just like a 43 if you want to.